Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a teleprompter in Capcut. Let's begin. Using a teleprompter in Capcut can make your video recording or voiceover process a lot smoother. Because for one, it's particularly helpful for people who need to read scripts, like me, of course, to stay on track while recording without having to memorize long lines, because the teleprompter feature helps you display text on the screen while you record, ensuring you can keep your focus on delivering your lines naturally. Now, once you open the Capcut app on your mobile device or on the platform that you're using, I want you to hover to the camera section on top of the interface. You see that section? And then all I have to do is click that camera. And then, as you can see, right now, I am using the camera with the teleprompter on the top right corner. You see that? I'm going to click on it. You see that's going to be the teleprompter. These arrows, you can use it to drag and reposition the teleprompter as your guide. All right? As you can see, this is going to be the script. There's like a gear icon at the bottom part corner where you can adjust the speed. All right? Like a fast, small fonts, depending on your preferences. And of course, you also have the option to choose a different color for that, depending on your preferences as you read the lines along the way. All right, so these are going to be your options. For example, if you want to edit the teleprompter, there's no way for you to be able to edit that if you're not subscribed to the Pro subscription. If you're using the free account, you're not going to be able to do that. But of course, once you're ready, for example, we're ready for that. Let's click the 15 seconds. Let's record. Now, you all have to do is record this entire prompter right here. All right. And once it's done, the recording will be saved onto your device. All right. And just wait for it until the recordings are done. You can go back again to the screen. And once it's done, just click the save button here. You can also edit if you want. But for now, let's click on save option. Let's see what we got. Exporting now to your Capcut. I'm going to click on done. All right. And then head over to my Capcut editing software. Right here, I'm going to head back to the project that I am working. You see, that's going to be the project already. All right. And of course, you can click on edit. You will be forwarded to the timeline wherein you can add more information as you go along the way. Now, from here, you can resize the entirety of it by clicking on the overlay. Resize this maybe around just here. And then add more elements along the way. For example, we're going to add an overlay here. This one. All right. And then hover back up here. And then move this information. All right. Place it accordingly. And of course, you can add more. I'm going to drag this all the way up here. I'm going to add more overlay. Like this one. Place it accordingly. Just around the top. All right. And then you can adjust the resolution once the video is exported. You have an option to increase it to 4K if you want. But the thing is, remember that the estimated file size will also increase. You can also increase the frame rate, the code rate as well, and you can convert that into a smart HDR. Once you are happy with it, it's the perfect time for you to click the export button. You have the option to save a copy for yourself or send this copy to your client for feedback, or if you want to share this to social media channels, you're welcome to do that. These are going to be your options. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.